Good morning. I am Ruben Osorio Campo. I am an agronomy student. My career. Why do you choose that topic? I chose the subject on fumigation with unnamed drones since it is an innovation technology in the market that allows many producers to carve out their application in the tables elements optimizing labor and against how is the topic important for your program? It is important because it is an innovation technique that benefits the agricultural sector, allowing fumigation activities to be carried, increasing efficiency and productivity as well as reducing the contamination that people receive during the application. How can you improve that topic in your career? That to the fact that is an innovation and not subject for small and my choose producer since my professional career. I can transmit and publicize the important and effectiveness of spraying with unnamed drones. What of innovation does this topic have? Drone fumigation is an innovative topic in the Colombian agriculture field since they are unnamed drones in operation are carried not only in visible in flat areas but also in areas of difficult access. Thank you.